Hello, this is Will and Well Armed. We're looking today at two Sneaky Pete holsters. This is my two most common carries right now. So this is my Glock 26 and this is my Para-Ordnance P12. So really like the way these fit in clothes and hidden right in plain sight. So really easy to get to, just a nice little magnet enclosure. And they really fit well on my chair and just a great system for me. So I think even able-bodied people could easily put these on their waist. They do make them smaller for smaller guns. This is the largest they make, and this is, I think, the second largest they make. You can see this is about a ½ inch, a quarter of an inch longer, and I think it's about a quarter of an inch wider as well. Yeah. So on my chair, I'll show you how that works. On my chair, I have a piece of Kydex that's 6 inches long by 1.5 inches, so it's about the size of a belt. And it goes very easily. So you do have these two clips that are about 1.25 inches apart, and you just press down and they go right on. And because that's only halfway on, there we go. So that's all the way on both sides, and once you got it there, it's on. So you can see it's fairly recognizable. Just kind of blends in. It's dark as part of the chair. I just wanted getting it out. It's easy to get out. This is all leather. It's got dark brown leather on the outside, light brown on the inside. It wears really nice. Doesn't get scratched that often. Like this one, it's kind of got that medical supply. That's on. Again, hidden right in plain sight. So you can see how well it just blends right in with my blue jeans and my chair. Pulls right out. So that's just a real quick video on Sneaky Pete and how it works for me. And if you're in a wheelchair and do not have the knee buttons, I highly recommend them. You can get these on Amazon for $125. The Kydex, I just bought a sheet that was 6 inches long by 12 inches, cut it into 1.5 inch strips. This same strip has been on my chair for a year. It's getting sharp just from me transferring and scraping it around on the pavement, but it works good. Easy to take off. When I get in my car, I just pull that off, put it underneath my feet, or put it in the console if I'm going to lock it up. And that's it. So this is Will and Well Armed. We're looking at the Sneaky Pete holsters and how well they work in my EDC. Have a great day and be prepared.